Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and send a photo right there in your TikTok messages. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and start our video. For that purpose, first of all, let's go ahead and open our TikTok app. Once the particular TikTok app is open, it's gonna look like this, right? So you're gonna go ahead tap on this inbox icon which is over here. You can see this. So if this is the person that I would like to send a picture, I will go to this message box and I will go get this option like stickers and GIF, but I do not have an option where I can send a picture. Apparently you cannot do this in your TikTok's chat box. For that purpose, the only thing that you can do is you can go ahead tap on this filter icon, aka the plus icon, and go ahead tap on this upload and choose a particular photo that you would like to share. Yeah, just tap on the photo that you would like to see over here, tap on this next option, and again tap on this next option. Then what you will do is you can see this, everyone can view this post. If you tap on that, you can make sure to turn this on to friends, so who follow you and follow back, or basically can chat, right? So you can go ahead turn this onto friends, and you can share this post, which will all of your friends will be able to check that photo out that you would like to let them know that you would like to show. But you do not have any other option where you would like to particularly send a particular photo to somebody in your TikTok chats. So unfortunately guys, that is the solution for you. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.